Hi everybody, welcome to Typeset's LaTeX tutorial series. This is the second part of inserting images in LaTeX. In this section, I am going to tell you how you can fix your image size and include text around it. Most of the commands used in the video have been explained in our previous videos. Make sure to watch the complete series to get a good grasp on how to edit documents in LaTeX. Let's take a look at the new commands here. To add your text above the image, you can write your text after the begin document command. Additionally, to fix the image size randomly, you can include instructions in the optional argument to the include graphics command and type down the height and the width of the image as per your preference. Here, I've used the height as 5 cm and width as 10 cm. No additional commands needed. Let's typeset the document and view the output. And it's done. As you can see, you have your image as per the fixed dimensions with the text beside it. Usually, you are expected to place the image right beside the text in the document. In the following example, I will demonstrate how you can add the images right beside your text. To add images around a text or a paragraph, you can use the wrap figure command. To do this, you need an extra package called wrapfig. If you're working online, the LaTeX editor will download the package automatically. If not, you can download it from its repository. Let's get started. You can see that after the begin document command, I have entered a representative text followed by the wrap figure environment. Besides the wrap figure in the curly braces, the R denotes that the figure will be displayed on the right side and 0.25/text width is the width of the text inside the wrap figure environment. In the include graphics command, keep the image width the same as the figure wrapping scale. This will wrap the image and the text around it to the same scale. Then, just end the wrap figure command, add any additional text and use the end document command. Let's go typeset the document to see how it appears. And this is it. We have successfully wrapped the text around the image. As you can see, the image is on the right with complete text paragraphs around it. Try using the same commands to bring the image to the left or center by adding L or C respectively after the begin wrap figure command. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to jot it down in the comments and I'll cover it in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.